Do you know how a match works? You have to rub it hard against the box. Friction creates heat, and heat creates fire. Simple. But in space there are no matchbox, no wood, and no oxygen. So why has the sun, which is all alone out there, been acting like a giant eternal light bulb for billions of years? Meet hydrogen. It's the simplest gas in the universe. A star is about 75% made of these little guys. If they were just floating around loosely, nothing would happen. But the sun is so heavy that its gravity acts like a giant invisible hug. These hands push the dots toward the center with such force that it gets incredibly crowded. Imagine trying to cram a whole stadium of people into one tiny elevator. What happens? It gets hot. These dots hate touching each other. They push away like magnets. But in the very heart of a star, the squeeze is so insane that the dots finally break. They have no choice. They have to merge. And here is the big secret. At the moment these two small dots fuse into one bigger dot, something weird happens. This new larger dot doesn't need as much energy as the two did separately. So what does it do with the extra? It throws it out as a spark of light. One spark is nothing, but inside the sun, this merging happens billions of times every single second. It's like setting off billions of firecrackers at once. The glow of all these sparks combined is the light that wakes you up in the morning and makes the stars twinkle at night. A star shines because it's so crowded that it literally throws off sparks. Simple? If you want more common sense explanation, subscribe to this channel. See ya.